Hi everyone, welcome to Art Time Magic. In this video, we're drawing the love fruit from Blox Fruits step by step. Grab your pencil and let's get sketching. And remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Sketch lightly and use your eraser if needed. Start by sketching a simple cube. This is the base shape for the love fruit. Keep your lines light so you can adjust them later. At the top middle of the front face, draw a vertical line coming downward. This will be the center of the heart shape. From the end of that line, draw two arches, one curving to the left and one to the right. These arches will form the top curves of the heart. Now, slightly below the middle of the cube's front face, sketch the bottom part of the heart by drawing lines in from both sides. This forms the heart shape right on the cube face. Now that we have the heart shape on the front, we want it to go all the way through the cube like it's carved out. Do it on both bottom and top of the sides and also in the top middle. Now let's add the stem growing out of the top of the cube. Start in the middle of the top face, draw a half oval ball like the bottom half of an egg. And from the center, the stem goes up with a heart at its top. Time to add details to the fruit's face, a smiling mouth, and two heart-shaped eyes. Keeping a small distance from the fruit's front face's lines, draw another line going all the way around the face. And now add some cloud-shaped lines on the front face towards the middle of it, some at the bottom and some at the top. The top one goes a bit behind the left eye. Perfect! The sketch is done. Check it out again for final touch-ups if needed. It's time to ink the drawing using fine liners. I'm going to start by outlining the outer lines by using a thicker pen, but it's your drawing and it's your choice. Use whatever you like. Now move to the inner details. I'll use a thinner pen. This helps add depth without making the drawing feel too heavy. Make sure you only draw on the sketch lines that you have to. Some are just there to help you get the shape right and aren't meant to be in the final drawing. Also, keep your hand steady and use light pressure. Thinner lines help add detail without making your drawing look too busy. Nice. Time to erase the sketch lines we don't need. Make sure the ink is dry before using the eraser. Time to bring the love fruit to life with some color. For coloring, use whatever you like. You can do it with watercolor, colored pencils, or markers. Up to you. We'll stick to just red and pink shades to keep the look bold and sweet. Use a light pink as your base color to fill most of the top and where it has more light. Use reds for the darker areas on the side, where it tilts or has shade. Use medium red to build depth along the outer edges of the face. Use a mix of medium and dark pink for the rest of the face. Leave eyes and the mouth white. Add some shading to the top with a darker pink. And color the stem lines. Some final shading on the side. That's it. You've drawn and colored the love fruit. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which fruit or character you want to draw next. See you in the next video.